Hello, my tutor. And now I'm going to try to do the final question, the final task. I hope you. I want to show my activity. This is the course of teaching development, Universidad Nacional Abierta de Distancia. My name is Javier Caicedo. Um, I have been studying English, like yeah. Well, I'm going to try to read my one question. The individual evaluation a student view concerning to the teacher qualification for the total quality implementation. Introduction. Education that is conceivably effective in behavior change of an individual has an important role for an individual to keep up with the societal change, follow the technology closely, and to become information society. When the effect of education that has a vital significance on a human life taken into consideration, one could say that education systems are required to be redesigned in line with the change and innovation appropriate to today's circumstance. Reading number one. Additionally, teacher, while education the student should treat them quality, encourage them to do research, find a way out for the problem student come across their daily life, and get them ready for the society life. Besides, teachers should be equipment well about their fields. Use both visual and audio material in their lesson. Use the time well. Have effective communication skill and benefit them method and strategy during our education process. And reading number two, this is the main idea. Educational research and teacher development and teachers' positive attitude regarding to use our research in raising their professional status and power. Since through research they acquire professional adjustment, develop their own personality theory, and broaden their role in action. In addition, the use of research strategy has a great impact at the classroom practice, as most teachers say that the main source of knowledge that count in order to deal with a different situation and the personal experience. Well, alter the sample size produce general conclusion. Research find a light the need to develop national education policy based on education research in order to provide teaching with the skill required to face to contemporary challenges arising in school and society. Well, only I just want to say thank you for watching this video. It was my activity, and I hope you are feeling so good. Okay, see you next time.